This is a PennyGreen video report, 109 Frenchman, and pretty much we're going to come in and fix this whole area right in here, starting with the wall. The wall needs to come out. The wall needs to be reinstalled, and it needs to be put on a footer. So the whole entire wall is going to come out on the outside. It's going to be put in with a footer. It's going to totally be reinstalled. What else is going to happen is we're going to take this drain, which is creating this mess right here because it's just dumping right on a pop-up emitter. Or excuse me, you can see it's just dumping right underneath the wall here. We're going to take this drain, and the drain's going to go all the way back into the woods. It's going to eliminate 90% of the water in this area. You'll still get water from the neighbor, but everything that you're getting off your roof right here won't be here anymore. So this drain is going to go all the way to the back. The back drain off the house will also go all the way to the back.